Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So back in August of this year, I let you know that if you are using Paint 3D, that Microsoft had officially announced that it was saying goodbye to the Windows Paint 3D app in November of this year, 2024, and specifically the 4th of November, where we find ourselves today, November 4th, 2024. So just a quick heads up that the app, as of today, will no longer be available from the Microsoft Store. Now, if we head over to the Microsoft Store, in my region, the app is still available to download, as you can see. But this is all going to change. This is just a time zone thing. But later today in my region, or if you do find yourself in another time zone, if you head over to the Microsoft Store and do a search for Paint 3D, according to Microsoft, the app would have been pulled and will no longer be available to download. And if you are using Paint 3D, as you may well know, and as mentioned previously, you should be seeing a pop-up banner here at the top of the app, which is saying that as of November 4, 2024, Paint 3D will no longer be available in the Microsoft Store or receive any future updates. And then there is also a link that you can click on to head over to Microsoft's website to find out a little bit more information if you do find yourself affected. Now, the reason for the deprecation of the Paint 3D app is because over the past few months, Microsoft has been giving the normal Paint app in Windows 11 quite a lot of attention with a whole lot of new features, as we have been talking about on the channel. So this is the reason why Microsoft is saying goodbye to Paint 3D. But it's a little bit ironic because back in 2017, Microsoft announced that it was promoting Paint 3D as a successor to the classic Paint app. So it's a little bit ironic what's going on, but in true Microsoft fashion. So if you are in a kind of a different time zone to where this is all going to happen in the USA today, then what you need to do before Microsoft pulls it from the Microsoft Store, if you don't have the app installed on your Windows device, then if you are still interested, you need to head over to the Microsoft Store and download the app from the Microsoft Store before it's pulled later today, as mentioned. And as I have stated previously, if you have an existing installation of Paint 3D on your system, it will continue to work. It's just not going to be getting any more updates or quality improvements, and it won't be available from the store. But if you have it installed, it will still work. But there we go. Paint 3D, another legacy app, is now no more on Windows. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.